7 car maintenance myths that are costing you big money. Stop wasting cash. Alright, car lovers. How much are you really spending on car maintenance? You might think you're doing everything right, but what if I told you some of those expert tips you've been following are actually wasting your hard-earned cash? Today, we're breaking down 7 maintenance myths that are draining your wallet and showing you the fixes you can do to save big. Stick around to the end because there's a surprising myth about oil changes that you won't believe. Let's dive in. Myth number 1, you need to change your oil every 3,000 miles. Let's kick things off with the most common myth, changing your oil every 3,000 miles. If your car is still running strong, that's probably overkill. Most modern engines can go 5,000, 7,500, or even 10,000 miles before needing an oil change, depending on the car and oil type. Here's the deal, synthetic oils have come a long way, and so have car engines. Always check your owner's manual for the manufacturer's recommendation. It could save you time and money. Changing your oil too often can actually harm your engine by flushing out additives that help protect it. Cost savings. If you change your oil yourself, it costs about $20 to $40. If you go to a mechanic every 3,000 miles instead of 7,500, you could be spending an extra $100 to $200 a year. So, what's the lesson here? Don't rush to the shop at 3,000 miles. Look at your car's needs, do some research, and save those extra bucks for something fun. Myth number 2, premium fuel improves your car's performance. Another popular myth is that premium fuel makes your car perform better. Spoiler alert, if your car doesn't specifically require premium fuel, putting it in will do absolutely nothing to improve your engine's performance. Modern cars are built to run on regular 87-octane fuel, and putting anything higher is just throwing money away. Sure, premium fuel might be necessary for high-performance engines like in luxury cars or sports cars, but unless your owner's manual tells you to, save yourself the extra cash. Cost savings. If you're filling up a standard sedan with regular gas instead of premium, you could save around 20 cents to 30 cents per gallon. Over a year, that adds up to hundreds of dollars. Why pay extra at the pump for no reason? Stick with regular fuel unless your car begs for more. Myth number 3, tire alignment is only needed if your car pulls. Here's another one that might surprise you. Tire alignment isn't just for when your car pulls to one side. Over time, misalignment can wear out your tires unevenly, even if your car is driving straight. And guess what? That uneven wear means you're buying new tires way too soon. Typically, tire alignment should be checked every 12,000 to 15,000 miles, or if you notice unusual tire wear patterns. If you want to avoid unnecessary tire costs, this is one of the simplest and cheapest maintenance tasks that can save you hundreds. Myth number 4, your brake pads always need to be replaced as a set. Let's talk brakes. The myth that you need to replace both brake pads at the same time is outdated. You only need to replace the worn-out pad, not the whole set. Check the thickness of the pads, and if only one side is worn, replacing just that one is usually enough. Not only will this save you money, but it's also a quick and easy repair you can tackle yourself with basic tools. Myth number 5, all car fluids are the same. Not all fluids are created equal, folks. There's a common belief that as long as you're topping up the fluids, everything's good. But mixing the wrong fluids can cause serious damage to your car's systems, especially when it comes to brake fluid, transmission fluid, and coolant. Always use the fluid recommended by the manufacturer. Some of these fluids are designed to protect components and enhance performance. Using a cheaper or incorrect type can cost you big in the long run. Myth number 6, you have to replace your timing belt at 60,000 miles. Here's another classic, replace your timing belt at 60,000 miles. This is true for some cars, but not all. For many cars, timing belts last much longer, up to 100,000 miles or more. Check your owner's manual for the timing belt replacement schedule. Sometimes, waiting too long can cause catastrophic engine damage, but replacing it too soon is just a waste of money. Myth number 7, car maintenance is best left to professionals. Now for the biggest myth of all, that car maintenance is only for the pros. Sure, there are complicated jobs, but plenty of repairs can be done at home, saving you loads of money. From changing your air filter to checking your tire pressure and replacing wiper blades, these are simple tasks you can do yourself. And the savings? They can add up fast. For instance, changing your own oil could save you $50 or more per visit. That's $200 or more a year if you change it 4 times. So, there you have it. 7 maintenance myths that are costing you money. By knowing which myths to ignore and tackling simple repairs yourself, you can save a ton and keep your car in great shape for years to come. If you're ready to roll up your sleeves and save some cash, hit that like button, subscribe, and let me know in the comments which repair you'd like to learn next.